Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Vinayak. Today we are discussing about the our PBL project, hospital-related AI chatbot with WhatsApp integration and AI call assistant. And the content of this projects are uh, introduction. Introduction tells what your project is about, and the problem identification means a small description about what is our problem statement, and literature survey tells about what researchers already exist based on research papers, and objective scopes, what are the aims of the these projects, and requirement analysis means the technical tools, and what are the code editors we are used, and methodology, how your system works step by step means flow of our project, and technologies tools, software used, expected outcomes, final the output of the project, and the final conclusion. Let us move to the introduction of our project. Yeah. First of all, the hospital, whatever the hospital current present in our areas, um, they faces issues every day, like many booking appointment, checking doctor availability, find the department, and asking the report or medicines. These are asked by manually or the compound which are present in the hospital. So to and also the availability of doctors, and if doctors are not available, then if urgent, then uh, patient how can they solve their issues. So we aim to build a AI chatbot system which contains works 24 into 7 in even at the night, and available on WhatsApp and the AI voice call assistant. It replaces the instant automatic replies. How it works means the patient asks the questions like is doctor are available, and how the what is the current status of our appointment, and appointment book history, and projects also include the if if the doctors are not available, they can describe their whatever the description of their health conditions. Based on that, the AI will suggest them prescribe uh, you have this much of problem, so you can consult this doctor and prescribe some medicines. And another features of our website like whatsapp integration, which we take the use of API like Pillow, which helps for the WhatsApp AI integration, and also Pillow helps for AI call assistant. It And next, in additional features like our AI asks some questions. Based on that, if it gives the health condition of our uh, health condition. And next, we technologies we used in this Twilio has a, as I told, a problem identification. First, problem: patient struggles to get timely information outside the hospital working hours. Means, as I told, our AI will help patients for 24 into 7. So patients are able to contact or book the appointments, or get some small description, or whatever the help from the AI which related at that time. And front desk staff are overwhelmed with the respective queries. Means, some questions are asked repeatedly, the staff waste the time and answer basic queries. Means, whatever the staff present in that hospital, or um, that hospital. So that staff will describes minimum queries and about the hospital, but in our AI it describes everything about the hospital and our disease. And third problem, uh, no uniform system, uh, means no uniform digital touch point for the patients to interact with the hospital service. Means the patient can use calls, websites and apps like we are built for emergency. If emergency, they can use a AI call assistant. And fourth problem we are identified, language barriers. And means language is some patients they not get the English, and uh, they use in a regular language like Kannada or Hindi. So our website also contains additional features like multiple language like English, Hindi, Kannada, and also other languages. And fifth problem are existing solutions are uh, dis- existing solutions like website calls are not connected, so no integration between the system, the smooth flow of the information, the as the result, delayed care, patient and dissatisfaction and resource wastages, so on. So the final impact of this problem statement, whatever what we are identify that delayed treatment and patient dissatisfaction, um, resources wastage. So next, my friend will present the further presentation.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್ ಸರ್ವೆನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸಿಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಬೋಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು 2017 ಒಳಗೆ ನಡೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ. In that, NLP based chatbots can interact with patients effectively, especially in mental health support. Uh, and health bot studies shows that appointments are reduced by 30% in visiting the hospitals. Uh, we used clear WhatsApp API research proved WhatsApp is the most accessible messaging platform in developing countries with 2 billion users. Next, ma'am, we have a research from World Health Organization Digital Health Report, which was conducted in 2021, recommends AI chatbots as a cost-effective tools for healthcare systems, especially in low resources areas. From these surveys, ma'am, we can agree that using AI in a health diagnosis is really helpful. So, next, my friend Navin going to explain the next topic.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Naveen. Today I am telling about objectives and scope objectives. Here we have that build an AI chatbot capable of answering hospital. Means, for example, the chatbot will answer patient like questions and help book appointments and provide departments related information. And next we have the voice support. Means there is a support both like speech to text. Means it will user speech and the system understand. And next we have the text to speech, means it system replace with voice. And third we have to WhatsApp integration, means we using Twilo API, and because it patients can interact with the chatbot directly through WhatsApp. And we have multi support, means the chatbot can understand and respond in English plus regional language like yeah, Kannada, Hindi, and other language. And next we have the hospital knowledge base, means how to maintain a hospital specific knowledge, means maintain structure like data like doctor details, schedules, department, and etc. And next we have their scope, means here what the system cover and its limitations, means in cover OPD appointments booking, doctor schedule, lab test information, means it will cover this. And next we have the flexible deployment, Means it can use in single specialty hospital and a multi-specialty hospital. And next we have that limitation means does not replace clinical diagnosis or treatment. Next slide. Next slide, we have the requirement analysis functional requirement. Means what the system must do and system should do. Here we have the natural language processing means NLP means what will do means the chatbot understand the user queries and written or spoken in normal language. And we have the appointment management like book, reschedule and cancel appointment, and it will user can use this. And also we have the doctor and department information means it will provide real-time availability and details. And WhatsApp reminders means it will send reminders by WhatsApp means notifications for appointment by WhatsApp. And support voice input and spoken response means it will support the voice input and spoken. And next we have the tools. What are tools is required to build this system is it required NLP engine because it will understand the user queries. And WhatsApp API means we are using because messaging integration from user and that app using. And next we have the voice API means it will speech processing. Next we have backend database means it will store the hospital data. And cloud server means it will host the system. Thank you.
And next, I am going to explain the methodology system design of our project. The user experience is too much easy to user. The user just need to have a WhatsApp account to use our application and can send any type of message to interact with our AI service. We use the API gateway video for WhatsApp message and NLP engine, Dialogflow, and RASA to detect the user intent and diagnose the uh, user. Uh, for backend processing, we used Python with Node.js, which which calls the API from Twilio to receive the user messages and process them and send back the processed messages to the user. Reply sent back via WhatsApp or a voice command. Next, the tools and technologies we used. Next, the technologies and the tools we used. NLP engine, Dialogflow or RASA. WhatsApp integration done using Twilio API. Voice support using Google speech to text. Backend Python with Node.js. And the database we used is MySQL. And we did cloud hosting in Google Cloud. And front end is done in React.js. And for version control, we use the GitHub. Thank you, ma'am.
So good afternoon to everyone. Myself Manoj. So I am going to explain about the expected outcomes. So now coming to the expected outcomes of our project. Our system will provide a fully functional hospital chatbot that is available 24/7 through both WhatsApp and voice calls. And for example, if a patient wants to book an appointment at midnight, they can simply message on WhatsApp and then get done it instantly. So one major benefit is the reduction of front desk workload by automating around 60 to 70% of repetitive queries. So for instance, instead of asking the receptionist about doctor timing again and again, so patient can directly ask the chatbot. So additionally, the time required to book an appointment will be reduced significantly. So from around 10 minutes manually to less than 1 minute. For example, instead of standing in a queue, a patient can just take book appointment with a cardiologist tomorrow and get confirmation immediately. So the system will also set automated WhatsApp reminders to patients. So for example, before the appointment, the chatbot will send a reminder like you have an appointment tomorrow at 10 a.m. So which helps reduce missed visits. So finally, the multilingual support our solution improves accessibility. So for example, a rural patient can ask questions in their regional language and still get accurate responses. So coming to conclusion, the last part of the PPT and the conclusion part. So AI-powered chatbots are transforming patients' engagement in healthcare. So for example, many hospitals are already using chatbots to answer common questions and manage appointments efficiently. So our project solves a key problem, so which is lack of 24/7 support with both voice and WhatsApp integration. So for example, even if the hospital is closed, patient can still get through a simple voice call or a message. So the purpose system is cost efficient, scalable, and user friendly. So, for instance, even a small clinic can implement this system without needing a large support team. So, in the future, this system can be improved by integrating with medical records and payment methods. So, for example, patient could book the appointment and pay the consulting fee directly through WhatsApp. So, overall, this solution can significantly improve hospital efficiency and patient satisfaction. So, by saving time and reducing efforts of for both patient and staff. Thank you.
What is the main purpose of the chatbot?
Yeah, ma'am. The main purpose of our chatbot is to reduce the whatever the patients faces the issues in a hospital, like the compounder or prescriber, and facing the issues like booking appointment for 24/7 and get the solutions instant. And if the doctor is not available, then by using small AI tools, they can manage their disease at that situation.
Ma'am, and and even human operator avoiding is also main problem. It solves human operator. We don't need a physical work.
What do you mean by Twilio API?
It is an application like
Nandi.
Ma'am, Twilio provides us WhatsApp APIs, ma'am, to use WhatsApp.
Manoj?
Yes, ma'am.
Same question.
What is Twilio?
Twilio.
Ma'am, so Twilio API, ma'am, I was not knowing about. Ma'am, it's like a cloud communication platform, ma'am, that allows a developer to send and receive messages and make voice calls.
Manoj?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Naveen?
Yes, ma'am.
Why we
Ma'am,
use
Twilio API. Ma'am?
Why we use Twilio API?
Ma'am, because it is a voice API, ma'am, is speech to text and text to speech, ma'am, by using a users, ma'am, because communication, ma'am.
Vinayak? Vinayak?
yes, ma'am.
Same question.
Um, Twilio API, it acts like a bridge between the whatever whatever the software build and user. It uses the API keys for sending the messages. And uh, also, why we use this Twilio API means we have another option like fast to SMS. In that, we get the limited credits, and also we not get the WhatsApp. So Twilio API gives the free credits like 15 credits. So in we can use we can use another tools, but they requires we have to pay for that. So Twilio API is free, so we use that Twilio API for
It is used to connect chatbot with WhatsApp and voice calls.
Nandish? Nandish?
Yes, ma'am.
Which ML model used in this project?
Ma'am, we are using Gemini, ma'am, by
What do you
Google.
mean by?
Gemini
What do you mean?
LLM, ma'am.
What do you mean by LLM?
Ma'am, it's a large language model done using deep learning, ma'am.
Why we use?
Ma'am, it provides uh, it can diagnose the patients uh, and understand and give very good understanding to the patient what uh, what what has to do for curing the diseases.
Vinayak?
Instead of taking the data sets and train our model and based on that give the suggestions, it is like I for us it is like a wastage of storage and time. So the Gemini LLM is trained which uses the large text formats which is already trained. So by using that we can build our project. It contains a large models and required whatever we required for example of disease prescription and image recognition and report generation. It has for that one.
Okay. Okay, thank you.